Hi guys, I want to quickly use this video to teach us the way you can set your signal, as in set a future trade, how to set a future trade on binary.com. What do I mean by setting a future trade? This is my demo account in order to use this to teach us. For instance, now let's look. I'm having a signal at I'm having a signal at 0145 Nigerian time, that's GMT plus 1, 0145 on Euro USD for call. So now I will go here, look for Euro USD. Once seen, click on it, make sure it is under the rise and fall. Now 01 is on 14th of this month. So you have to click on where it says start time, that place written now. You know, when you look at it, it shows this way. Click on this now, then choose the date, which is the 14th, the date of that day you are to trade, then the time here. Remember, binary.com is in GMT, Nigeria is in GMT plus 1. What that means is that you have to subtract 1 hour from every time. And this one we are trying to trade is 0145, which means you are going to pick 0045. You see, you click on this box and you click 000. Look at the minute here, 0045. Look at it here. It's set. How many minute duration? The signal is 5 minutes. Then you put the stick. The signal says call. Call. Call means you purchase higher. You click on it. Just that. Then if you look at under the portfolio, it will be there. You will see the ones I've set. They are all here. They are yet to be executed. The one I just set now, according to the time, it is the next one. Look at here, 00, no, big 0030. This will trigger. Oh, this has triggered 0030. Okay, let's see. Good. Look at it's just triggering now. 0030. If you look at the time here, you will see just a minute. It has triggered, and it says strictly lower than entry point, right? So let's look at the one we just did now, which is 0045. Here, look at it here, 0045. So it's as simple as that. It's very simple, right? So let's look at this. Anyway, the purpose of this video is just to show us how to set the trade. That has been done, okay? So it's as simple as ABC. Thank you, and God bless you.